makeup artist is also a guest. Yes. Do you have a wristband? I have a wristband. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today is the official day where I have a bridal party of 7. I'm super duper excited. So to start off, congratulations Mary and Caleb on this new endeavor, this lovely endeavor. Today is going to be so beautiful. I can't wait to see Mary in her dress, Caleb in his tux. Today is just gonna be beautiful. So right now who is we? I'm on my way to the venue, but I do have to stop. I have to stop by Target. There's some things that I need to pick up. I know the bride personally, and she asked me to get some cups, some plastic cups. Oh, y'all like my hat? It says the party. Yeah! You mad because you couldn't come? Y'all like my hat? I got it from Target. $3, right? It's tight, right? Shit is dope, right? I tried to like hurry up and curl my hair. I don't do hair, like at all whatsoever. Don't ask me, okay? Most I can give you is the ponytail, okay? That's all I got for you, baby. That's all I got for you. But yeah, so right now we are on our way to Target. Who is we? I should call we. It's much. Okay, so I'm new to the game. Okay, I am new to the game. I will tell you that. I'm not used to carrying. First of all, I'm not used to traveling to do makeup. I haven't done that like since I first started, which was years ago. So now that I have like a chair, lighting equipment, it's a lot. It's a lot. So when makeup artists charge you for traveling to do their makeup, pay that woman, pay that man. I have, well, if I wasn't in the wedding, it would just be 4 things I would have to carry. But instead it's 6 because I'm also attending the wedding. Today should be very fun. I'm very excited to even have the pleasure of being the makeup artist for a wedding. Weddings are so like crucial. It's like a day that you never forget. So at least a day that you never want to forget, maybe, but not for this couple. I'm just saying overall. Never know, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah, like I really like, I'm super duper grateful, super duper thankful that I was chosen, because I mean literally like she could have chose anybody and she chose me. So thanks, Mary. She's gonna watch this. So yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys on a venture with me doing my first large bridal party. I'm excited, so let's go.
No, I saved the time. Okay.
Do your thing.
I'm loving it. I'm weak. This is your bra tone.
Me? Yes. See.
Oh my god, that was funny. What kind of chemical is this?
Okay, everybody put their foot in.
Right, just. Okay, I gotta take my shoe off. Is it green? I need a button.
Yeah, reduce to the bottom.
The makeup artist is also a guest. Yes. Do you have a wristband? I have a wristband. Thank you.
Mimi and Marissa on this side.